In this quick tutorial, we're going to show you how to reschedule content that has been scheduled. So if you've scheduled out a post, you're not sure how to reschedule it or review it, you're going to want to click the bottom right icon, make sure we're in the same place here, viewing your profile. Go ahead and click in the top right corner on the three lines, and you'll see the second option is to view your scheduled content. So we click on scheduled content. And here we can go ahead and reschedule any of these posts by, again, clicking on those three little lines. We're going to go ahead and click that for the first one, and then we can select the second option, which is to reschedule. Select a time, whatever you'd like, and then you can set the time. Now you'll see on the bottom line of each post, it will show you at what time it's scheduled, so you can view that and then change your scheduled content as you please. We record all kinds of quick, simple tutorials. We are building out an Instagram playlist for this channel. So if you want best practices for Instagram and a lot of simple how-tos to help you get started, go ahead and subscribe to the channel and watch the free Instagram playlist.